Hello everybody, it's Miss Winfield here, ready for today's maths. So let's just have a look at our rewind, okay? And yesterday we began to count to 50 and we were counting forwards and counting backwards and filling in missing numbers and lots of other number related activities. So let's start off with a rewind and let's look at our question. It says, can you tell your grown-ups what numbers are missing? Okay, so we've got something and then 47 and then something and then 49. So make sure you're thinking, oh, okay, well, to find this number, I need to find one less than 47. And to find this number, I need to find one more than 47, which is equal to one less than 49. So pause the video now and see if you can fill in those blanks. Okay, so hopefully you recognise that one less than 47 is 46. Okay, so your first missing number is 46. And if we look here, we know that one more than 47. Oh, let me think, 47, 48. Okay, so 48 is our second missing number, and we know that 48 is one less than 49. So we've managed to fill in the missing numbers. So let's have a look at Sam and Lily's opinion, okay, because there is another number in this sequence and you are being asked to find this number. So we are being asked to find one more than 49 and we're going to see who has got it correct. Sam thinks the next number is 4010. He thinks it goes 48, 49, 4010. And Lily thinks the next number is 50. So who do you think has got it right, Sam or Lily? Do we say 4010? Or when we get to the 9, do we make a new 10? What do you think? So well done if you said Lily is correct, because we don't say 4010. When we get to 49, we make a new 10, okay, which would be 50. So Lily is correct. Bearing in mind as well that I said 50, not 15. Let's make sure we're pronouncing those numbers correctly. So what are we going to do today? We are going to count to 50 forwards and backwards, okay? And we're going to practice some new learning so we can identify the missing numbers in a sequence. So we're going to be doing a bit more missing number work today. So let's have a look at our Discover. Which number is the lily pad on? So this thing here, you might not have seen a lily pad before, but they float on ponds, okay? And it's a sort of plant and we call them a lily pad. So which number is the lily pad sitting on top of? So I know that this number is going to be one more than 31, and I know it's going to be one less than 33. So what number is it going to be? What number comes after 31 but before 33? So let's see. Hopefully you said the number is 32. Okay, and it says, how do you know? Well, I know it's 32 because one more than 31 is 32 and one less than 33 is 32. So that's how I know. The frog, here's the frog sitting here, jumps back to the pond. So here's the pond, here's the frog. The frog is going to jump back to the pond. What numbers does the frog jump over? So in order for him to get from here to here, which numbers does he jump over? Pause the video, have a little chat. So hopefully you said he jumps over 29, 28 and 27, okay, to get to the pond. So let's have a look at our Think Together. So question 1, which numbers does the frog jump over to get to the pond? So at the moment, the frog is here, okay, and the pond is here. So on the last question, the frog was jumping backwards, but in this question, he is jumping forwards. So imagine your little frog and he's going to go ribbit, 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 ribbit. Which numbers did he jump over to get to the pond? So he jumped over the numbers 33, 34, 35 and 36. Now then, let's look at this number square because there are some missing numbers in it, and it says what are the missing numbers. So I'm going to start my count at 1 and find the first missing number. Here we go. 1, count with me, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Hopefully you all said 16, and that is written with a 1 and a 6 because it's made up of 1 10 and 6 ones. Now then, I'm going to carry on. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, because 1 more than 21 is 22. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Is it 30, 10? It's not 30, 10, it's 39, 40. We're going to make a new 10. 41, 42, 43. Super stuff. And let's look at this one. We've got some more missing numbers to fill in. 14, 15, 16. 1 more than 16 is 17. Let's look here. 21, 22. What's this missing number? It's 1 more than 22, but it's 1 less than 24. It's 23. And the last one, 37. Oh, something that's in between 37 and 39. Oh, yes, it must be 38. 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. And we can finish that one off. So missing numbers, they're really not tricky. You just have to make sure you put those numerals in the right order. So I've put a challenge in with this one, okay? And this reminded me a little bit of our computing and our technology work around algorithms, because Ben is lost in the forest, okay? He must find his way from 34 to 45 in order. So can you help him to find his way out? So he's going to start here. He's going to come in at 35 and he needs to get all the way to 45 in the correct order. So let's see if he can go this way. 34, 35, 36, 35. Oh, that's not the right order, is it? So he can't go that way. Let's try and make him go this way. 34, 35, 36, 37, 40. Oh dear, that should have been 38. He can't go that way. Let's try this way. 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So we've managed to get him all the way there. So I hope you managed to have a go at that too at home. Let's look at what activities you've got to do today. So let me just zoom in a little bit, make it a bit bigger. There we go. So number 1, the frog jumps to the lily pad. Here's the lily pad, here's the frog. Which numbers does the frog jump over to get there? What number is the fly on? So you can't see it. We can't see through the fly. We've got to use our knowledge of 1 more and 1 less to work it out. Number 2, fill in the missing numbers, just like we did a moment ago. And the same for number 3. Number 4, what numbers are the counters on? So the black counter, which number is that sitting on? The white counter, which number is that sitting on? Count the spaces the black counter needs to move to catch the white counter. So if the black counter was going to move all the way and chase the white counter, how many spaces would he have to move? So it's a nice, easy one. I'm sure lots of you will find this really easy. Like I say, watch out for your formation okay, and just make sure that you have formed those letters correctly. Not sure why I've got 3 copies of everything on there, but yes, there we go. So I hope that was useful, and I will see you all for tomorrow's maths. Bye.